In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to edit your Shopify order confirmation email to better serve your customers and reflect your brand's style. Our first task is to navigate to the settings section of your Shopify admin. In the settings, you'll find an option labeled Notifications. We are going to click on this, which will lead us to the section where we can manage all of our store's notifications. Next, within the notifications screen, you are going to want to locate a category called Customer Notifications. Expand this category by clicking on it and look for a notification named Order Confirmation. This is the email template that we will be customizing to match your preferences for communicating order confirmations to your customers. Once you've located the order confirmation notification, it's time to edit the content. Near this notification, there should be an Edit Code button. Select this, and you will be redirected to the code editor for your order confirmation email. Now it's time to edit the subject of the email, the first major part that customers will see. At the top of the editor, you'll find the subject field. Here, you can write a new subject line that suits your brand's tone and message. The second part that you can customize is the body content of the email. This will require a basic understanding of HTML, as you will need to locate and modify the HTML code representing the section or sections you'd like to change in the body. A key thing to remember as you edit the HTML is that any elements or text within curly braces should not be altered. The content inside these curly braces are referred to as dynamic liquid variables, which are critical as they function to automatically update with specific customer and order details for each individual order confirmation email. Once you have made all of your changes, it is best practice to preview them before sending them out to customers. Luckily, Shopify offers a feature to do just that. Find and click on the Preview button to see how your new order confirmation email will look. You can even double-check by sending a test email to your own email address. Just find and click the Send Test Email button to do this. When you are confident with your changes, it's time to save them and make them go live. Simply click the Save button at the top of the page. Your edited Shopify order confirmation email is now ready to serve your customers and reflect your brand's unique personality.